Alright, so it's only partially charged, but I just wanted to show you, because I'm pretty excited. You bend that down, flip this up, little button on the side. Here we go. Voila! Tonight, cigars.
Really awesome lighter. But you see how it doesn't light there? That's simply because you're doing it way too quick. If you kind of hold it down and hear the hissing, that means you're letting out some gas. So just press it down lightly, get that hissing sound, and then fully press it down to ignite it. And you will always get it to ignite. Just don't do it too quick. The slower you push this button down, the better you're going to get this lit. 100% worth it. Very good. Really good quality.